How to make biryani at home. Full recipe. Chicken biryani recipe. One of the most royal delicious that you can enjoy on any occasion or festival. Chicken biryani is the epitome of a one pot meal. Well, no one can resist the sight of the aromatic and delicious ingredients of chicken biryani. 5 servings. First cup boiled basmati rice, 600 gram chicken, half teaspoon mint leaves, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, salt as required, 1 tablespoon saffron, 2 tablespoon refined oil, 1 tablespoon bay leaf, 3 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 2 clove, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 onion, 4 green chilies. First, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 cup hung curd, half tablespoon ginger, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, 2 drops kevra, water as required, 1 tablespoon rose water, 1 tablespoon ghee. How to make chicken biryani. Step 1. Prepare saffron, kevra, water and chop veggies to make a delightful chicken biryani dish. Firstly, soak saffron in water. To prepare saffron water, 1 teaspoon saffron can be soaked in 1 or 4 cup water. Next, mix kevra drops in water and mix well to make kevra water. Set them aside for later usage. Now chop the onion and coriander leaves and keep them aside. Step 2. Salt the onions. Meanwhile, heat refined oil in a deep bottomed pan. Once the oil is hot enough, add cumin seeds, bay leaf, green cardamom, black cardamom cloves in it, and salt for about a minute. Then add chopped onion to it and salt until pink. Now add chicken into it with sliced green chilies, turmeric, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and green chili paste. Mix well all the spices and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add hung curd into it and give a mix. Make sure the chicken is washed properly and patted dry before adding it to the dish. Step 3. Cooking biryani on low heat by 4 to 5 to 6 minutes. Turn the flame the medium again and again, and garam masala in it along with the ginger, coriander and mint leaves and kevra water, rose water and saffron water in it. Cook the chicken biryani, then cup 1 cooked rice, nevertheless and saffron water and pour ghee.